My name is Harshavardhan Reddy. I am studying 6th class.
My name is Bhagirath Reddy. I am studying 6th class.
I run.
I ran.
I think.
I thought.
I cut.
I cut.
I buy.
I bought.
I go.
I went.
My name is H. Teja. I'm studying 6th class.
My name is Karra Revant. I am studying 6th class. I sell.
I sold.
I watch.
I watched.
I stand.
I should.
I bring.
I brought.
I come.
I came.
My name is Harish Kumar. I am studying 6th class.
My name is Chaitanya, studying 6th class. I drink,
I drank.
I fly,
I flew.
I do,
I did.
I play,
I played.
I give.
I gave.
My name is Mohan. I am studying 6th class.
My name is Durga Prasad. I study in 6th class. I, I, I take,
I take.
I meet,
I met.
I read,
I read.
I begin,
I began.
I dig.
I dug.